Today I want to go over this bike hand bike stand made in Taiwan. I've been using it for a few months now. You see you have the quick release clamps for the lower feet that keeps your arms in place, but also for the riser tube. It makes it quick and easy to adjust. The top tube will go from 39 inches to 59 inches. The top does adjust down, but that's just for storage. This head will rotate. That cantilever handle is real easy to use. It is spring loaded, so it'll always stay open. It is a really nice soft rubber. Should last a long time. Really important that your bike stand has adjustment, because you want to put your bike in different locations, which I'll show you here in a minute. So you just turn the handle, it releases the teeth, and it makes it where you can spin it around. It also came with this tray. There's plenty of spots for screwdrivers, Allen heads, plenty of little cubby holes and pockets. If you leave the head unlocked, the bike will find its natural balance point, but you can adjust it like this, or this, or this, or that. It's safe with an aluminum frame bike, but you wouldn't want to clamp this with your carbon. Of course, you'd want to go to the seat post. But see how I have the head unlocked? Gives you a chance to set it where you like, and it doesn't put undue pressure on it if you don't really care. As you can see, it closes nice and tight. It doesn't wiggle, there's no play. Now one of the best things, how it breaks down. Unclip it, pull the spring-loaded lever, let the head down, clip it back, unclip the tube, clip it back, unclip the feet, fold the legs in. Look at that. It's like nothing. Set it back over in the corner, frees up your shop. Now look at all the room you have for activities. If you like this video, if it helped you out, like, subscribe, bike hand bike stand. Get out there and get you one.